that, then you're late. Ma'am Lori na mommy of okay, I know, Rosie, I think. Okay, if you do not have that, you don't have the right to give me your score later on. Okay, sige, let's proceed. Bakit stop presenting ako? Okay, I'll choose an assignment, no? So the last one who actually gave the assignment is Aliona. Aliona, can you explain the first one? Or anyone? Okay, sige, ito na lang. Okay. Do you see it? For those who are using the smartphone, huh? Okay, it's time to say to your mom and dad, buy me laptop. Kasi gagamitin niyo pa rin yan sa high school, senior high school. We're still using that, no? If you're using smartphone, my goodness, your mental health really is at risk. Ako nga nahihilo na, ang dami kong ginagamit and yet. Okay, Alione, explain your work. Find the remainder when 4x square minus x plus 2 okay, you check your work, huh? This is 4, sorry, it's 5 points. Ayaw niyong gumawa, ha? Where's Aliona? Use this because you can actually use this in this as checking. Okay, did you get me? I did mention this that you can use this, but they're the same, right? Okay, why? Because I want you to be actually loving the new lesson. Okay, not uh what do you call this? Dwelling to the past lesson. This is the new now, no? Okay. So for this one, you give yourself 2 points. Is it tama ba? Okay. Tell me ha if it's wrong. We are checking. Check your own. Okay. It's 4, -1, 2, and -3. It's 2. I do not understand it. It's 4x squared ba yan or x squared? There's something wrong. Can you correct me? Okay. If you answer this one, it's wrong, no? Pero I'll give you 2 points. Okay. Let's have the other one. 142. Medyo mahina ang internet ngayon. Did you notice? Wi-Fi? Okay, sige, let's see the find the remainder. Oh, you see, no? You have your own world, no? Uh-oh, we are in the new lesson and yet you are giving your solutions with the old one. Okay? Okay, how can we even check this one? Because I do not want to actually give you the answer in this way. Masakit kayo sa ulo. Okay, sige tignan natin 'no, pasasakitin yung ulo ni Sir Romel 'no? Kasi 'pag ako ang nag-check ng assignment, if I'm going to be actually checking your assignment and with those solutions, my goodness 'no, there's a lot to check. Sumasakit ang bungo ko sa inyo, grade 10 Exodus. You're thinking too much 'no? Okey tingnan natin 'tong si Diyos ko wala na tayong mache-check, mga with honors like that. Give me your profile, beautiful profiles, handsome profiles, okay? So that I can change them. Okay, if I were you, magpakuha 'no, diyan sa wala ba kayong family members diyan? You don't have family members who can actually do the shot? Okey, sige. Okey, this is what I want 'no. Sumakit ang ulo ko. Okey, wait lang. Eh, parang lalong lumiliit na po pagka gano'n na siya. Okey, sige. In your screen, you just wide it 'no? Zoom out. Okey, sige. Tama ba, shortcut na tayo dahil wala na tayong time. Tama ba na ang sagot for the remainder is -43? Okay, with this solution, yes or no? Anyone? Sige, tignan na lang natin dito. Negative. Okay, very good. It's -43. Okay, check your work, no? Class, this is the solution, no? Zoom it out. With Benita's work, ay, ang bagal ng internet natin, ano? Okay, this should be the solution, no? Okay, we are using function now, no? It's p of x and then equals the right side. Copy that. And then p minus 2. Tama ba? Naka-present ako? Hindi na yata ako naka-present. Hindi naman kayo nagsasalita. Suntukin ko kayo eh. Kung yung iba nag-synthetic. Yung iba worse, nag-long division. Natatawa ako sa inyo, class. Okay, sige. Hindi ba kaya ito? Nalilito ba rito? Sa YouTube meron ito. Okay, sige, let's go. So what you're going to actually do is to change your x into a. That is why x is equal to a. Remember that. -2, and then everything in here on the right side, x. Change it with that value, -2. Where is -2 coming from? It's from x plus 2. Why? Because it's x minus a -2. That's why -2 is your value for your a as well as for your x. Did you get it? Okay, naintindihan? Eh, kung hindi niyo talaga alam 'to, hindi niyo talaga alam, 'no? Okay, especially in determining what is the value of a in x plus 2. It's not a negative, sorry, it's not a positive, sorry, yes, it's not a positive 2, but a negative 2. Okay, this is your solution. Okay, give yourself 5. Okay, and then I will check this one. What can you say about the value of the polynomial when p of a is equal to 0? What can you say about the value of the polynomial when p of a is equal to 0? Sabi niya dito when it is p of a, mm, is p of a is not equal to 0 or it is not equal to 0, it means that there is a higher value polynomial which is being going to be going blah 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 blah. Sorry. Okay, the polynomial has a remainder where a is not a real root of the polynomial. Okay? Okay. Because p of a is not equal to 0, we are looking for the value of a really, no? Okay, What do you call this one? Okay, sige, I'll explain it to you nicely, no? Bakit gano'n yung sabi doon? Okay. If your P of A is equal to 0, then you will say that your x plus 2 here is a factor of that polynomial, no? 4x cubed minus x squared plus 2x plus 3. And that x plus 2, actually, the root there, root kasi will actually pass through. When you graph this one, it will pass through the x-axis, no? So when you are graphing, it will pass actually in the x-axis. Root there is equal to -2. Okay, that is the value of your a, and likewise, it's the value of your x. Again, for x plus 2, it's -2. Okay, there is a root, no? It means to say there is a root, and that polynomial function will pass through that x-axis when you draw it. If this is 0, no? Remainder. But for this one, it's not, no? Because P of A is not equal to 0. It's -43. Therefore, x plus 2 is not a factor. Okay? Why factor? Because there will be how many of factors are there? It will be 3 factors. Why? It's raised to cube. 4x raised to cube is the leading term, and the exponent there is 3. You're looking for 3 roots, no? Okay, so for this one, x plus 2 is not a root. It could be the other factor. Did you get it? Okay, so therefore, there is no root. Kaya nga sabi dyan, the polynomial has a remainder, or a or x is not a real root of the polynomial. Did you get it? Okay, once meron tayong remainder, if we do have remainder there, that divisor or a factor, that is x plus 2, is never a factor, no? It will never be a factor, and this one is not giving you any root. Okay, that x plus 2, or or pertaining to that value of a, that is -2. -2 is not a root. Okay, let's go. Sige, I'll check that, no? Skip that. Do not give uh 5 points for that. Okay, sa iba naman tayo ha. Sobrang liit nung kay Medina. Okay, tignan natin kay Victor naman, no? Si John Victor, may talino rin ito, ba, no? Hindi ko lang masyadong natatawag. Okay, so sana tayo? Okay, naku po, long division. Sumakit ang ulo ko sa inyo, makakita ako ng long division, ha? Diyos ko Lord. Opo, ibig sabihin mas naiintindihan niyo yung long division at nagawa niyo yan kaysa doon sa bago nating lesson? Naku, pare-pareho sila. Ayokong magalit sa mga walang assignment, ha? Okay. So, feeling ko wala kayong friendship kaya wala kayong assignment. Okay, Justin. Ako, anong oras na? Okay, can you all messenger me? Give me a chat that you are present. Find the remainder. Ito ba yun? Okay, this is a problem really. If stop sending present first, no? Because I'm having internet uh, intermittent now, no? Stop first. Okay, stop nga, di ba? Stop sending present. Hindi na tayo matatapos niyan. Sige, bahala kayo. Okay, because I'm experiencing really a problem in the internet. It's slowing down really, no? I want you to have this. Okay? Okay, but this one is not to be actually made today. We will not do this today for this very moment, but do it. Okay. You'll do this one in 3 hours, no? But this one expires before 11:30 tomorrow. Did you get me? Okay, sige, access your Genio. This is the final drill. Okay, if we actually do not finish your assignment today, because I'm having really problem with my internet, then I'll do the assignment itself, the solutions, and then forward the solutions, the right solutions in them. I'm sorry, in RGC, and then check your own, okay? 5 points each. Okay, there's no way to catch up. I will not allow late senders to send, no? When I discussed. Okay, the ones whom I'm accepting only the assignment today is with the assign or assignment received, and then the smile. If you do not have, sorry, no? You're zero. You lose 30 points. Okay, so for this one, everybody access this one. This is just a drill, no? Okay, if you get high in here, we'll record. If not, this is null and void. Okay, so for this one, give your time to actually uh, review first, no? I'll give you the assignment solutions and then read the textbook and somehow also watch videos, no? Okay, I sent you videos in the Genio lesson already. There's videos there because you are tamad, no? You are not searching on your own. That's why I'm giving you that Genio lesson. And yet, I do not see the others accessing them, no? Okay, so for this one, uh, it will help you, no? Okay. So I will not go back in here anymore because tomorrow, uh, our lesson, tingnan ko nga kayong lahat kung nakatingin, will be rational, no? Rational root theorem. Okay, root. Root is the value of x. Tomorrow I will discuss that to you. There is no long quiz yet for the remainder and factor theorem and its proofs. Why? Because I want to incorporate it. It will be a real long quiz, no? After you are done with the root or the rational root theorem. Naintindihan? Okay. So we are slowing down. I cannot present your solutions. Let me see. Tingnan natin, no? Kung pwede na. Naglalaro pa ba si Janela? Ay, sorry. I'm asking the 4-year-old kid if she is still playing. Because of course, no, one of the factors that's why the internet is slowing down. Because of your games, students, naku po, mas yun ang priority niya. Okay, sige, tingin tayo dito sa final sagot, no? Okay, for page 70, I think I gave you this, no? Letter A, it's 61. It's positive. Check your work. Okay, you can actually check your work already. And then K is equal to 2, no? Okay, how is it done? Okay, I think Samuel was the one who first did this, eh. Okay, hold on. Okay, I think it's fast now. Let's go to Samuel. Wala muna magse-send ng present. Suntukin ko kayo. Ang kulit ah. Mamaya na, no? 2:03 pa lang. Plus, if you will not do assignments, no? The impact to you is impacto, no? Sorry. May singit lang si impacto. Yes, because it's pulling you down, no? Even if you do your project, okay, like the others there, no? They are involved in the projects. I'm giving them higher grades for the project, and yet, no? Their grades, the grades that they receive is 9 of 7. Why? Because you're not doing anything, no? Okay. Don't think that you can get higher points points in my quiz. They're really hard. Do your assignment. Am I right, Emil? Oo, my quiz are saan na ba ako? Yan, hindi niyo ako makita. My quiz are really hard, no? That is why when I give you the chance to do your assignment, you do your assignment and make it perfect. Opo. I give to you, no, the good example of who is this person, no? I think it's Tolentino, no? He belong to that group, no? Who created a lot of project that is very good. But what happened, no? Line of 7 pa rin si Jacob. Kasi hindi siya gumagawa, no? Okay, so hindi ko na kayo kailangan pilitin, no? I do not. Sana si Samuel. Itong si Nyampong, tingnan natin si Nyampong. Okay, after teaching you the lesson last meeting, I was amazed with Samuel's work actually, no? He actually, okay, yun nga lang, no? Parang mali-mali. Okay, sige. So this one is correct, but negative 29 is not the remainder, Samuel. Okay, and then if PA is not okay, I'll do that myself. And then find the remainder when polynomial is, and then 61 is correct here, no? So your right side must be, it's tedious, no? But when I compare this thing to synthetic, I think this is easier, no? Okay, or it could be for you, synthetic division is easier, but if it's easier, it will be your checking. Okay? Because synthetic division is not a remainder theorem, neither it is a factor theorem. Okay? O sige, you tell me if it is. It's not, no? It's another method of finding out with the remainders, right? It's the synthetic. And it's actually it's a synthetic of the long division, right? Reflection of it. But for this one, it is close, but it's not a theorem, no? If you say it's synthetic. Okay, very good. This is the solution for Samuel. And then, okay, check the solution of Samuel here. Very good, Samuel, no? Okay. So he made use of the remainder. See, he's not using any synthetic here. Samuel, no? Very good. Okay, and then he made use of this divisor that is x minus 3. It's not a negative 3, no? It is a positive 3. Okay, you check this one. So you need that letter to replace everything there, no? Or number. X is equal to A, very good. No, he followed me. X is equal to A is equal to 3 coming from this divisor. And then he substituted all X there and he found this. But 732 is given. Okay, why? See, it says there, what is K if the remainder is 732? So there's a value of the remainder. Okay. See, P3 is equal to 732, no? Okay, logically, P of 3 is equal to 732. Okay, in here, no? You must follow your textbook. It's there in the textbook. And then this one will give you value, right? But not K, of course. K is remained unsolved there, no? K cube. Bakit K cube ito? It's not K cube, it's K3 or 3K. Samuel, the right uh sorry, the right thing to do here in the right side, it's dapat 3K ha? It's not K3 because I assume this is K raised to 3. Okay, it's 3K. Okay, remember that, no? Coefficient first and a variable. And then it says there, 6 is equal to 3K, not K3. Okay, pop. Okay, and therefore, divide both sides by, pero you give yourself 5 points here, Samuel. And then divide both sides by 3, it gives you 2. Very good. Okay, next. Okay, blah, 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 blah. A factor. Y. Okay, x plus 3 now, no? Okay, there are how many factors in here? This is raised to 4, so there is 4. One of it is x plus 3. Maybe, no? Have to check. If your value here in the right side is 0, then you say x plus 3. Very good, Jampong. Mister. X plus 3 is a factor. Take note this again, it's a negative 3. Why? Because it's x minus negative 3, no? Okay, try to actually convert x plus 3 into x minus a form. It's always like that. It's x minus a form. It's x minus negative 3. So negative 3 is the value of a here. Very good. Okay? Oh, as easy as that. What is the difference between the factor theorem and the remainder theorem? It's 210 now, no? Okay, so I will be the one to actually check that. The difference is, okay, take note of this, no? They are using the same, no? What process is that? It's like, it's like, but they're using the substitution, no? Of those variable x. And that notice also that x is equal to a. And then, it's not your first time actually having this, right? Okay. Remember that when you're checking really if uh an equation, a polynomial, no, quadratic, linear, if you're checking if the right and the left side are equal, what are you doing, di ba? Sometimes you are really substituting those variable x, no? Okay, it's like that also here. It's a function of x, function of that polynomial with that x of x, and it's really what do you call this one? Very the same. They use the same. They are not different, no? The only difference is that For the remainder theorem, it's giving you a value, any value except 0. For factor theorem, it's giving you the value, the right side of that function, no? Because we're treating function now, no? Polynomial function. It's giving you 0, okay? For that factor theorem. Remember that, no? Why do we need that? Okay, that remainder value that's 0 and other than 0 values. Why? Because we are really actually determining those factor that is that should be tested is really a factor. No, if it's not a factor, then anyhow, it will not help. No, it will not help you graph that polynomial sooner or later. Did you get me? That's 212 ay 212 na po. Okay, nakuha. O baka nagte-take na kayo ng Genyo diyan, no? You do not take the Genyo if you are not, what do you call that one? Ready, no? Okay, it's 3 hours. Oh my goodness, that's long, no? So I think it is easy. Why? Because as I discuss it today, it will be so easy, no? You got the proofs also of the two, remainder and factor, in your textbook. You will understand now the proofs, no? Okay, bakit ganun ang proof? Okay. Bakit ganun ang value? 0. Bakit ganun ang remainder? May remainder talagang value which is R on the right side. You check it, no? You will understand it better now. Your textbook, the proofs there. Okay? Okay, give me thumbs up if that drill will actually conclude the lesson. Give me thumbs up. Dito. So I can dismiss you. Okay, it's easy, huh? Okay. So if you are to ask me, sir, can I use synthetic? No, okay? It's just a checking for you now. Okay, use the theorem. Why afraid to use the theorem? It's easy. Okay, those theorems, the two, they are the same. Okay na? Jared, naintindihan? Okay, naintindihan. Parang hindi. Kasi hindi alam ng x cube. Negative 4 raised to cube, hindi niya alam. That's negative 64. No? Oh, pag hindi nyo alam yun, eh hindi talaga alam. Okay, sige. Do, y- do your drill wisely. Sayang yung points nyo dyan. Okay, bye-bye. See you tomorrow. Study in advance the